Good, thankful Thursday. Hope everybody's doing wonderful today. Cause a little bit chilly, but gonna be nicer today. I gotta get out and do something today. I've been kind of under the weather, the winter blues and stuff. I don't know, but a little saying today kind of perked me up a little bit. It says, "Honor holds hands when they sleep to stop apart from drifting apart." Just think about how cuteness they are. Today makes your spirits up. Well, Sarah and I, if we hold hands in bed snuggling, we would go, we're honors. So that kind of made me lift my spirits up a little bit today and sort of get motivated. But we got some birthdays today. So we got John Hanby, cousin John. Happy birthday to you and all. We got Susie Gilbert and Grandpa Jay. She's always wonderful to go out there and spend time with Susie and Kenny. So happy birthday, Susie. And then we got this young man here. You know, I call him the mayor, but he's a pretty cool dude. Daryl Coles. Happy birthday, Daryl. Hope you see it and everything. So, but you know, I see on Facebook you put a fake day on there. So, happy birthday. Retired teachers to February the 5th. Don't forget about it. Don't forget about the Relay for Life Survivor Dinner coming up. So, hard to breathe this morning. So, but I hope everybody have a great day. Stay warm. I think more cold weather coming in over the weekend, so plan for it. So, good morning, Miss Lil. Hope you're doing good. So here's a bell ring for the day. Have a great day. Enjoy it. Lisa next praise.